Hello and welcome to our video on how to make the 6510 Skyline blouse with big collar. This blouse comes with long sleeves. This is why we thought we'll show you how to shorten them yourself, a technique you can use with any blouse pattern you'll buy. When shortening, you'll simply fold your pattern about halfway through and fold it again, subtracting the wanted length you want to reduce. Have a look at the length from your upper point to the lowest point on your sleeve on both sides. These lengths should be the same. If you see a big difference, take that side and adjust the fold. Now you'll take your ruler and cut with seam allowance from your upper point to the lowest point of your sleeve. Why you do it like this? If you would simply take the length from your lower hem, you would have a disproportionate width of your sleeve down there. This way, the intended width of your cuff or arm opening stays the same. Plus, you keep all the markings for the pleats that are intended in this blouse. Take scissors and mark all your pleat notches and also cut the slit for your sleeve slit. And now you are done and can start sewing this sleeve. We'll hopefully see each other in the next video where we will show you how to make the collar.